good Samaritan.
Where?
Yesterday.
So on to today.
Today's a different day, different attitude.
So you're not good Samaritan today?
No,
Yeah, what?
bad Samaritan.
Careful, Panda.
Power. How the power? How is this?
Tonian, what you do? What you do? What you do? People, we are behind the scenes. And OJ up there, so. Tesfa is over there. About a big old yarn.
You look tired. That's not hungry though. For sure. That's up more sleep.
So OJ father.
Auntie right here, so.
Dead dog.
Mongoose. Oh.
Shark boss.
When you?
Ask OJ.
OJ, when you?
First one I did that. Dead dog.
Second, what?
Mongoose.
And what again?
Pit.
You can't go on. You can't go
So
on.
much name in one have? My word. Wow. So people were on set, they must shoot around there, so I can't go in there because I don't want them catch me in the film and then them have to start over. So Tony and say we're alright out here. No, can't make no sense. Them say rain a fall over there.
Yeah. Up there. And you might never know certain things about it. You used to dance and you got foreign people living.
So them finish shoot one scene and Professor get instructions for another scene. Sparta up there, so. OJ up there, so very nice.
Rendo.
So Professor, you finished one set already?
Finish.
Okay. On to the next?
Right on the irregular visiting spot.
Yeah.
So we're on set and we're right from the corner. Sit down. And the sun a beat you bad. And it don't come out bright, you know. It just, yeah. Bees. Yeah, man, me that come round here, you know. You never had to walk round. Me that round by you. See it there, Shamar. And that's Tony and sitting right over there. How are OJ there? Yeah, people. We're up on the block. We're just a chill.
Come out there now.
Auntie, what you say?
Yeah, but the sun a beat them bad.
Sun a beat your body.
Ask her a question. Yes, I know. You have a session of it. Because you know them, but you don't want to. Move with the macaroni self. Move with the macaroni self. Yeah, it's macaroni. The boy is macaroni.
Yes, miss.
You're cool. Yeah, you are.
Come on, you sit over here.
Yo, pull up this one. They didn't kill me. They only put me for a little small retirement. Knock off everybody. Why y'all keep fighting against here on the shore? You not turn me to money for dead. I'm ready for dead all the time, for every episode. Every episode more than dead. I'm gonna take somebody.
Alright, ready or no?
Activities are going on the road where we can't catch him.
Big girl.
That scoop up a steam fish. It taste.
Nice.
Yeah, I can say it nice. I love better. That's it.
Hey, King, are you? I did walk off forward and call her Radcliffe, but I'm not for call her then. I'm forward in. Steamer's ready, you know?
There's no steam fish for you, Bubbles.
Yeah, okay. Place. That's it.
So, basically.
Yeah, man. I guess them we are selling it off. No, man. The king to a banquet. And make sure you guess them start.
So, I got to be said. After I say, when you come all I channel them, you're going to say, yeah, we get all of the channels them you have. Then, and then we take it from this, see? So, more on it, give me that set of conversation. So, you ask her to tell you what you say, oh, you look like everything I mean that you take up more great. You want to feel the reach and me to say, yeah, that is me. I get the talent. So, that's like energy.
Yeah, daddy, you know the talent we have. We have to sing a song.
Yeah, daddy.
No, yeah, you have a booster, that I know. That's the last part of Yana. That's it. Give me something, man. You start too. Me or your son. You see me? Something like that. Alright, ready? Nah, sit down. I'll not stop.
I'm going to live without that history. Okay.
Go, Ashley.
Ready?
Behind.
Yeah, look funny. Look funny. No, you never turn. I said it turn.
No.
You know, so I said that in one video them already.
Ready?
Behind the scenes.
Rolling. Action.
Daddy, you know, so I know for float. I know some dance history. I know for juggle garden.